If your Hyundai Palisade already has fingerprints everywhere, random stuff sliding around, and cargo space turning into pure chaos, these accessories fix those everyday headaches fast. Some add comfort, some protect your interior, and others just make life easier behind the wheel. And yeah, all the product links are waiting down in the video description for you. Starting at number 8, the armrest cover is one of those upgrades you don't realize you needed until you try it. The thicker memory foam padding makes long drives way more comfortable while protecting the center console from scratches, spills, pet claws, and everyday wear. Owners also love the leather-style finish because it gives the Palisade interior a cleaner, more upscale look. Rolling into number 7, the cargo and backrest mats are a lifesaver if you haul groceries, sports gear, pets, or messy cargo. The non-slip surface keeps things from sliding around during turns, while the durable TPE material protects the rear seats and cargo floor from scratches, dirt, and spills. Reviews constantly mention how easy they are to clean after road trips or rainy days. Coming in at number 6, the bumper topper protects one of the easiest spots to damage on the Palisade. Loading luggage, strollers, coolers, or heavy boxes can quickly scratch up the rear bumper. This WeatherTech protector absorbs daily abuse while blending into the SUV like factory trim. Owners especially like how solid it feels without interfering with opening or closing the liftgate. Sliding into number 5, the Auto Stop Start Eliminator fixes one of the most annoying modern SUV features. Instead of pressing the disable button every single drive, this module remembers your preference automatically. Installation is plug and play, with no complicated setup or dashboard warning lights. Drivers say the Palisade feels smoother and less irritating in stop-and-go traffic once this thing is installed. Halfway through the list, and this next accessory is seriously underrated: the retractable cargo cover. It keeps valuables hidden from outside view, while also helping organize the rear cargo space during family trips or grocery runs. The retractable design folds away quickly when needed, and the reinforced aluminum frame is strong enough for lightweight storage on top without sagging. Now here's an accessory almost everybody uses every single drive: the phone holder. This custom-fit mount attaches cleanly without adhesives, screws, or messy clips hanging off the dashboard. The adjustable extension bar helps position your phone exactly where you want it for navigation or music control. Reviewers also appreciate the heat-resistant construction during hot summer days parked outside. Dropping into number 2, the dashboard cover helps protect the Palisade interior from sunlight, fading, and heat damage over time. The soft polyester material cuts down windshield glare while keeping the dashboard cooler during summer weather. Owners mention it also hides existing imperfections surprisingly well. Plus, the non-slip silicone backing helps keep everything secure without constantly shifting around. And finally, number 1 goes to the center console organizer set, because the factory console can turn into a giant junk drawer real fast. These trays create dedicated spots for cups, phones, keys, chargers, coins, and everyday items while keeping things easy to find. The rubber mats also reduce rattling noises during driving, and owners love how factory-perfect the fit feels once installed. That wraps up the Hyundai Palisade accessories you'll seriously wish you bought earlier. These upgrades make daily driving cleaner, more comfortable, and way more organized without spending a fortune. Don't forget, all the product links are down in the video description, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Palisade upgrades, reviews, and cool automotive finds.